Hey guys, if you've got one of these Creality K1 Max printers, you're probably familiar with the top being too low and your filament tube rubbing. Well, unfortunately, over a little bit of time, this filament tube rubbing the top will make a flat spot on the filament tube. As it wears down, this interferes with the filament being able to feed properly and creates a real problem. There's a whole bunch of different designs out there, but I think this one might be a little bit superior. In my eyes anyways, but I'm a little biased. There's two different pieces of this top design, and you print 4 of each of them. They fit together easily with the precision puzzle joints. They fit the top of the printer perfectly after they're assembled, and the glass fits in perfectly as well. I'll leave a link in the description below and you can download the files for your printer. Another issue is the way the filament spool goes on the back. What a horrible idea and what a pain in the butt to work with. The first thing I did was I drilled a hole in the back corner and routed the filament tube directly into the feeder. I looked around for some designs for the side filament holders, but I really wasn't happy with anything I found. So I just decided to go ahead and build one out of a piece of wood. So I went and got me a 1x12 scrap that I had in my basement, and I cut that thing off to about 18 inches. I drilled a hole in it and inserted the 1/2 inch piece of PVC pipe to put the spool on. I also made the base so that I could set my battery backup on it for the weight. I used a small piece of wood on the back and inserted a quick connect filament connector into it. I used a little bit of epoxy to glue the piece of PVC pipe into the board and assembled the thing using drywall screws. I've been using this setup for a couple weeks now, and I print or roll every day or two, so this has really worked well for me, and I hope it helps you out. If you want to put a battery backup on your K1 Max printer, use a 1200 to a 1500 VA. I recommend the CyberPower. I've had great luck with them, although there are some other good brands out. Then replace the batteries with LifePo 4 batteries from 10 to 12 amp hour.